Today we're going to install the replacement thermostat with the housing on this 2015 Dodge Caravan. Alright, just made a video of how to remove the old thermostat. This is a video of how to install the new one. There is the part number, some coolant there. First we're going to do is going to go ahead and slap that sucker on, and there's two bolts. We'll put on the top bolt first so it'll be easiest. Go ahead and use both hands. Alright, before we do that, I forgot to mention, go ahead and clean off the surface. I already went ahead and cleaned mine, but forgot to mention it. Alright, first one is in. Now let's put in the next one. This one's going to be a little bit more trickier. It's a tight spot. Just try to thread it on there. Alright, to tighten these up will be a 10 mil. I'm going to be using this 1/4 inch ratchet and the 3/8 ratchet with a 1/4 inch extension. Just for the simple fact that it is super tight in here. Ouch! Just scraped the freak out of my finger right here. Super tight in here, and this one will help you drive it in, and with that one we'll finish it off. Alright, I'm gonna swap out ratchets, and the reason being is because the other one, once you drive that bolt in, it's not long enough to reach it, so you need just a little bit more of an extension. I tried using a little swivel, didn't work. It was too long, so this just fits perfectly. Alright, and make sure it's nice and tight, but not too tight. It is plastic housing. Then we'll secure this top one. Same thing with this one, tight, but not too tight. Next we'll connect this hose. This will go underneath it. Go straight into here. Bring in this clamp up with some pliers. Alright, just like so. Now we'll fill her up with coolant. We'll start the vehicle up. We'll continue adding coolant until we get all the air system out of there, or air out of the system. And what I like to do is just let it run, get hot, let it cool down, add more coolant, let it run, get hot. I mean, not like overheat, but you know, get the temperature, let the fans kick on, turn it off, let it cool down, add more coolant, drive it around a little bit, park it, let it cool down, add more coolant. Essentially, all you want to do is just get all of the air out of the system, so it is no air in there and you have no overheating issues. So let's get to it. Alright, topping her off. Now we'll go start it up. Make sure you have no coolant leaks, and just let it do its thing. Like I said, this is a repetitive process, so just let it cool up or heat up, cool back down, add more coolant, turn off the car, start it back up, let it cool down, add more coolant, drive it around. That's basically it. Just put the cover back on, make sure you have no leaks. Perfect. And there you have it. Like I said, just keep topping it off until we are all set. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.